Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. A couple of months ago, we had an upstairs bathroom remodeled. Came out pretty nice. So there's always been a problem, and we have these pop-up drains in the sink. And we have double sinks. And this sink doesn't pop up. It doesn't do anything. So the faucets are American Standard. So I ended up calling American Standard support and told them what the problem was. And they actually sent me out a new drain, which is right over here. Sent me out a new drain that actually does have a pop-up that works on it. So today I am going to replace the drain that's in the sink with one with a pop-up that's going to work properly. I don't know what was wrong with the other one, but it just didn't have the mechanism where it would actually come down and then go back up. So it looks like it's a fairly cut and dry, straightforward process. I'll bring you into the sink. Seems like all that's involved. Let's get you adjusted here. Seems like all that's involved is loosening this, then loosening this tail piece here, then just popping the drain up and out and putting the new one in. So I have a wrench ready to go. All right. So we're gonna unscrew this. Oops. It was a little bit stuck up there, so I just had to hold the faucet down and we'll finish undoing it. And we'll have to undo this a little bit. This piece that you see sticking down is what they call the tail piece. And we're just going to lift that up a little bit. And a little bit of water dripping out of it, but that's no big deal. I'll wipe that up. There we go. All right. Little washer up here. What I'm going to do is kind of lift that up a little bit. There's a washer. That's as complicated as it gets. I'm just assessing my pieces here for a minute. I'm just cleaning out gunk that's in this drain here. Some gritty stuff. It might have been when the contractor was working, doing the bathroom. There's some gritty stuff in the sink, so I'm just cleaning that off of the flange that this pop-up is going to fit into. Making sure both surfaces are clean. That feels clean. The top feels clean. So now I'm going to take the clean faucet tailpiece, right? And we're going to have to get it in place. Right here. I put this washer in here. It's going to go sit up against the top. And we're going to have to get the washer, this flange, and then this piece here, all playing nice together. Give me a second while I finagle everything into place. That feels right. Put that in the hole. Bring it back up here for a second. Show you what I'm dealing with. That's the old piece. This is in the sink, and we're just going to have to push that down into where it belongs. And I'll bring you back under here and we'll get things finished up. Looking like things are going to go back into the way they came. Tighten that up a little bit, and I'm gonna have to work on tightening this up so there's no leaks. So gonna get my wrench on here and look at what I'm doing up top so it's not spinning. That feels pretty tight. Let's tighten this up a little bit here. Okay. Just wipe this out, make sure everything's nice and dry. Then we're going to run some water and make sure we don't have any leaks, because having a leak would be not cool. Yeah, I don't see any leaks coming down anywhere. Now we'll fill this tank up. Making sure the stopper is all working. And it is. Got water going into the sink. So as you can see, some of these projects that some people may think is a little bit overwhelming isn't that difficult. The whole video here has been going for 12 minutes. And I took my time with this, trying to explain what I was doing, and hopefully you could see what I was doing. So I'm gonna let the drain out. We'll go around here, see if there's any leaks. And everything's nice and dry. And it's all good. So what I'll do is I'll put a listing to the tools I used in making this video in case you need to buy any of it. Please feel free to use the links, as it supports me as I get a little older. And again, this was American Standard. American Standard, thank you for sending out a replacement part when I called, and everything was done very quickly and to my satisfaction. So I appreciate it, and everybody out there, you have a good day. Bye-bye.